Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if you are updating your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. So at that time you are getting this type of irritating error. Your device is missing important security update quality, like this message, error message on your PC. So how to fix this problem in this video now I am going to show you. So for this guys, I am going to show you 4 to 5 different methods to fix this irritating problem. So let's get started one by one. So first thing, you need to check your internet connection of your PC. Okay, if the internet connection is not good, at that time you can face this type of problem. Okay, if the internet connection is good, now you can try the next method. You need to check your PC date and time settings. Okay, if the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct it. So it is better to set the time automatically. Okay, and then your problem will solve by the help of this method. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you need to check your PC storage. If the C drive storage is full, at that time you can also face this type of problem. To check the storage, go to Windows 11 settings. Once again, go to system, go to storage. From here you can easily able to check the storage. If the storage is almost full, you need to free up some storage space. So you can free up some storage space in the Windows setting. You can get the built-in option to scan the temporary files. You need to empty your recycle bin like this. Okay, so after freeing up the storage, now your problem will solve. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. You need to open the command prompt on your PC like this, and in the command prompt you need to type one command, sfc space /scan now, and then hit enter from your keyboard. So the command will execute. So wait for the completion of the command, and then you can easily able to close the command prompt, and you need to restart your PC one time. After restarting, go to your Windows settings once again and try to update your PC. Okay, now it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to run the troubleshooter on your PC. Okay, open the settings once again, go to system, scroll down and find out troubleshoot. Open it, go to other troubleshooter like this, and you need to run the Windows update troubleshooter. And if the problem will detect, you can see on the screen. Just follow the on-screen process instruction to fix your problem. Okay, and then try to update your PC once again. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to try the last method. Press Windows key button, and here you need to type services. Okay, like this, and open it. In these services guys, you need to restart your Windows update services. Okay, after services was open, press the W from your keyboard, so it will redirect you to Windows update. Just double click and open it. You need to select the startup type automatic. Click on start, click on apply, and click on OK, and close this. Restart your PC one time. After restarting, try to update your PC. Now it will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple methods, solution to troubleshoot the Windows update security missing, important security missing, update error. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.